In our previous lecture, we just created our different type of shapes. Now to start designing t-shirt, let's create another blank document. To do this, hit on File, New, and this time I set width 4500 pixel and set height 5400 pixels. And now I finally hit on Create. Now from the layer panel, I just simply create a new layer, and from the left side, I select this text tool and then simply type "Turn your ounce to wisdom." But before that, I just increase this text size from 72 to 150. Now I type "turn" and select the selection tool, and holding shift, I just make this bigger. Now from the left side, I just simply select this type tool again and then simply type "your." And using the selection tool, I just make this bigger a little bit more and set this style in italic. And after that, I select this text tool again, and this time I type "ounce" and change this style in regular. Now by holding shift, I just simply make this bigger a little bit more. Now I change this style and set it in bold, and using the selection tool, I just set it here and increase the size a little bit more. Also, I just set this text block in bold. Alright, now I select this text tool and this time I type "into" and set style in regular. And finally, using this type tool, I just simply type "wisdom" and make this bold, and holding shift and dragging on this corner, I just make this bigger a little bit more. Alright. Now just simply left click it and create outlines. Now using the selection tool, select this text block "turn" and then go to Object, Compound Path and select Make. And then from our first shape, simply copy it and then paste it here. And after that, simply go to Object, Arrange and bring this text block to font. Now select this both pattern and text and right click on this and select Make Clipping Mask. And here it is. We just create our first word with pattern. Now let's put another pattern of this word "ounce." To do this, at first I just simply select this word and go to Object. From this compound path, I select Make, and now I just simply copy this pattern and then simply paste it here. And after that, I just simply go to Object, Arrange and send it to back. And then I just select this pattern and text and right click on it and select Make Clipping Mask. Awesome. Alright. In the same way, I just select word "wisdom", go to Object, and from this compound path I select Make. This time I just delete this pattern and copy this and paste it here. And after that, I just go to Object, Arrange and send it to back. Now I select this one and right click on it and Make Clipping Mask. Actually, you can create different type of shapes using Adobe Illustrator. Possibilities are endless. And for this, using this technique, you will able to create your text-based design more interesting. I recommend you to play around with this and try to create different type of shapes. In our next lecture, we will try to make this design colorful and attractive. Thank you so much for watching.